I have in my hand the 90-degree VGA adapter. It's available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie. So the basic idea of this is to help in tight corners, so you're able to connect in a VGA cable easier than you would without it. So basically, if we look at the designs of this, we'll see that we have two 15-pin VGA connections here. We have a male type connection here and a female type connection there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the product out of the way and I'm going to demonstrate where we'd use it. So we can see marked here, we have a VGA connection coming in here. And when I go to connect a VGA lead directly onto that, we'll see that I can get it in by pushing it in from below. But look, the connector is pushing off the base of the thing. And this isn't, even though this is not a wall mounted one where it comes with a base on it, the physical ridge here is actually part of the television itself. So I can just barely and not securely getting it on. And as I'm trying to force it on as well, I could potentially be damaging the pins, both in the lead and even worse on the television itself or monitor, right? So I'm going to remove this here and look at a much simpler way of solving that problem, which is to grab the VGA adapter here, to push it directly on, and now when I go to connect the VGA lead, all I need to do is just push it directly on. It's so much easier and simpler. Now, the first thing to note on that is, of course, this adapter will work, the 90-degree adapter we have here will work in most circumstances, but in not all circumstances. For instance, we'll say if the orientation of the VGA pins in the bottom was in the opposite direction, just imagine, we'll say we have a 270-degree one, and I'll just show you it not working and it'll give you a better idea. If I go to connect this in here, it looks like the same, but when I go to push it in onto it, it'll actually have the connection facing down into it. And so the obvious conclusion of that is if we had the orientation this in the opposite direction, then it would be the right way for this. So that's why we're stocking both the 90 degrees that this video is about and also the 270 degrees as well. So we have both products on it. And we just made a decision here. We're selling an enormous amount of VGA connections, all the rest of it here, leads and all the rest of it. And this is a problem that crops up all the time. And simply nobody really in the Irish or UK market is catering well for this problem. So we made a decision we would just go buy in quantities of these and have them available for our customers. So hopefully that's relatively clear to our customers. So that's a 90-degree VGA adapter available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie.